Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're someone who deals with dry cuticles or rough patches of skin, you know how frustrating it can be. But what if there was a product designed to work overnight to tackle this issue, leaving your skin and nails feeling refreshed and nourished by morning? Let's talk about OPI, Nature Strong Nails and Skin, to the Rescue Overnight Cuticle Balm. This product promises to lock in moisture and deliver essential hydration, especially for dry cuticles, nails, and skin. But does it live up to the hype? OPI's Nature Strong line is known for its environmentally conscious approach, so it's no surprise that this cuticle balm is enriched with nourishing oils and shea butter. It's designed to soothe and hydrate your cuticles, nails, and skin as you sleep. It comes in a compact 0.7 fluid ounce, 20 meter size, making it the perfect travel companion for those on the go. Now, let's get into the details and see how it really performs. I've been using this balm nightly for about a week now, applying a generous amount to my cuticles and surrounding skin. The texture is quite rich, but it doesn't feel greasy, just a smooth, velvety finish. It absorbs relatively quickly, leaving a light, non-sticky layer that feels deeply hydrating. After the first use, I noticed my cuticles felt softer and my nails looked more nourished. But after consistent use, the real difference showed up in the smoothness of my skin around my nails, and even on dry patches elsewhere on my hands. What I really like is how easy it is to incorporate into my routine. I simply apply it before bed, and by morning, my skin feels softer and more moisturized. It's perfect for those of us who need a product that works while we sleep without requiring extra time or effort. That said, it's not without a couple of small drawbacks. The balm's scent is mild, which is great if you're sensitive to strong fragrances, but for some, it might feel a little too neutral. Additionally, while it's effective on dry skin around the nails, it might not be as powerful on extremely cracked or damaged skin. For intense hydration, you may need to layer it a bit more generously. When it comes to value for money, OPI is a well-known brand, so you're definitely paying for quality. The product is effective, but considering the small 0.7 fell-out size, the price might feel a little steep for some. However, I think it's a worthwhile investment, especially given its clean formulation and the noticeable results after just a few days of use. For anyone who struggles with dry cuticles or hands, it's a small luxury that offers real, visible results. As for alternatives, there are other cuticle balms out there that might be more budget-friendly, such as Burt's Bees or CeraVe's Cuticle Cream, which offers similar hydration at a lower price point. However, if you're looking for a more premium experience or prefer to support eco-conscious brands, OPI's offering stands out. Overall, OPI Nature Strong Nails and Skin to the Rescue Overnight Cuticle Balm delivers on its promises. The combination of shea butter and oils hydrates and softens, making it an excellent choice for anyone dealing with dry cuticles or skin. It's not a miracle cure, but it's definitely an effective and convenient solution to add to your nightly routine. If you're looking for a product that works quietly while you sleep, I would definitely recommend giving this a try. If this review helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep making content that helps you make informed beauty decisions. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. And if you've tried OPI's Overnight Cuticle Balm, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'm always curious to hear about your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.